We're just doing routine maintenance.
Yeah, clutch every weekend.
This video is sponsored by Delete Me.
Have you ever searched your name online and found your name, phone number, address, relatives' names on some random sketchy websites on the internet? That's because data brokers legally sell your personal information and it puts you at risk for scams and harassment. This is why I use Delete Me. In my very first privacy report, they scanned over 600 of these listings, and they found my info listed on 37 different data broker websites. Those sites had my name, my phone number, my past addresses, even photos. Within days, Delete Me had already removed dozens of those listings and saved me hours of work. Delete Me has been the expert in personal data removal for over 15 years. They handle removals securely, in-house, and keep scanning all year long to make sure your info doesn't pop back up. Take back control of your privacy today. Get 20% off Delete Me consumer plans at joindeleteme.com/MissMav with promo code MissMav. Or just scan the QR code on screen. That's joindeleteme.com/MissMav. Code MissMav. This video is sponsored by Delete Me, but all opinions are my own.
Oil filter. How about that Wix oil filter?
How's it just split in half? That doesn't
It
make
didn't
sense.
split in half. It came apart from the seam on the top.
Oh, where it screws in?
Yeah.
It just split.
Yeah, from the top to the case.
How?
All we did was start it. Exxon Valdez is in the trailer. Hey, where are we at?
We're at Milan.
Onondaga, or what is it?
Durango. No, I don't remember.
Durango. We'll get it.
Donaga.
We'll cut it to the right. But yeah,
Yeah, whatever it
we're
is.
going through tech. See, that's a tech guy right
Go
there.
fast.
Let's go.
It's chilly.
Let's go. Hello, we are back for another round of Milan
Another round of beating the crap out of White Cracker. Yay!
Durana
Dragway at Milan.
We're in Michigan again
We're not telling anybody we're in Michigan because we're trying to surprise a friend on Friday.
because we're going Magnolia for Danny Neo's stick
Yeah.
shift race, and we told him we can't make it.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta work.
Well, we got to work, but we're here. So we're testing because we had some problems in what you have seen in.
Canada.
Had a little bit of clutch issues and just not enough time to get it right. But
We had clutch issues. That's hard to say.
Yeah, clutch
At KD, the car was rolling a little bit. I think because the clutch was a little bit out of where it likes to be, and then we had more issues testing at Edgewater, and then we had lots of issues at Canada. But we are, I think, fixed. Hopefully.
we swapped the clutch to another brand new style that was in there before because I've been trying out different versions, and I went back to the old version that I had, and that went fast. And so we put that one back in, refreshed. I took it on a plane, brought it back, and we changed it at Team Z. So thank you to Dave Gary, Frankie, and especially Raphael for helping us.
The car puked all of its oil out of the oil filter that turned into a balloon for some reason. So hopefully that doesn't happen again.
So we're here to test, and if it doesn't work out, we're going to test again tomorrow somewhere else. And if that doesn't work, we're going to test again Friday. Test, because we only see the car once a month. But anyhow, we're back, and let's get at it.
Okay, see you on the track. Bye.
We need to speed it up a lot, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. First updates. First pass sucked. We still suck.
It wasn't bad. It looked decent.
It just went off the tamer and it went to 8,000 and sat there. So I'm gonna speed the clutch up a lot more and go from there.
Oil filter is still okay.
Yeah.
I was nervous, so I checked it after the burnout.
Yeah.
So
That's nice.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go up for the second pass, and I think that's our only pass. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna do some testing on the street tomorrow.
Maybe something. If I go in the right direction right now, then we're good.
Yeah.
But
I think if you get into the 120 60 foot right now, I think we're dialed, and we can just make a hit at Magnolia on Friday.
you're correct. All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, hello.
What happened?
It's like as soon as I dump the clutch, it like sucks it. It keeps it sucked in or something. It won't release.
What?
I sped up the tamer like 3 revolutions, and when I dump the clutch, it just stays there. It doesn't want to. There's not enough force to bring it back or something. I don't know. Like I had 2 turns in it or 3, and it got worse. After the second pass, it just still having some issues. So
Took tamer out of it, and it acted like it had all the tamer. So it just something's not right.
I aborted it. So good thing we're trying to test, but
Nice.
okay, so
Oh, is that the notch maker life with the tailpipes? Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're gonna work on this some more before we're gonna work on this some more before we go to Magnolia. Hopefully
We might put another clutch in it tomorrow.
we're just figuring out what it needs because
Yeah,
we're here and it's just nonstop.
There's something different with the clutch. We don't know what it is, but it's not acting the same as it was before. It's the same exact clutch we had in it at like what?
Streetcar bragging
Rockingham,
rights.
Streetcar bragging rights when we went a 119 60 foot and 866 out the back, and went amazing and beautiful.
Now it doesn't. It just doesn't.
It doesn't act the same as it was before. So we have a brand new clutch that's already been shipped to Bill's house. So we might go to Bill's and change the clutch.
Change another clutch. It's not. There's something. I mean, the car's making more power. I may have been at the limit of the way the clutch was. The power in clutches before. It is making more power now.
Yeah, Tony actually did say to me, "Why would it just?
It is making more
Why would it
power.
all of a sudden change?" And I was like, "Well, we all of a sudden put more nitrous and timing in it, so."
Making more power. It runs better since the box went in, and I think that could be the problem. So
low power. We might need to upgrade to some ceramic pads on the clutch.
But we'll see. Okay, we'll be out.
Okay, bye.
We're just doing routine maintenance.
Yeah, clutch every weekend.
If you grunt louder, it works better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we figured out our clutch situation. It was self-inflicted, so we're
Gonna go test it before we go out tonight to
yeah, we're gonna go make a hit on the
get
street.
it close.
So yeah, let's go. Now that you're cleaning your wheels, tell me how that went.
Oh, the road's like doesn't have that much rubber, but anyways, it's just a place to test. But I went the absolute wrong way with my struts, just being a goober. So to those who have strange struts, doubles, if you go to the right, it's loose. If you go to the left, it's tight. So it's
Are
backwards.
they both loose now?
They're both loose now.
So we might have to go try again.
We're gonna go try again. I'm just gonna hit it on the motor and see, just to get some data.
Okay.
Yeah, fun.
How are they full tight?
They're back.
Any cars coming?
Yeah. A big truck, but it's far away.
Okay. I'll let them pass. Back in.
I did say
It just
opinion
looks like
angles.
it's pulling a trailer even when it's spinning.
Oh, right here it's not bad. We just gotta follow it out.
back.
You'll fucking get the S10 to just fucking roll right on down there, but
It probably would go really fast. Dude,
I
for
just-
no reason.
I can slow the pedal down more. It hooked when I put it in second. It just fucking hooked and went. But
You gonna try again?
no, I think it's fine. Everything's working like it should.
Sorry, I had a brain fart. I was like, oh yeah. they
You're
don't
like, my
have
pass is done. I'm out. I got him there. That's enough, right?
that. That's all right. No problem. Sorry.
America.
What?
America.
America.